A'udzu billahi minasy syaithanir rajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Assalamualaikum Padian. This time we are taking Takuyung Isap on the banks of the Alun Pabani water season river.
Assalamualaikum Padian dan hello hai sahabat. Sakali ani katani tuot mutik Takuyung Isap timbang hilian sungai. Jangka musim aing Alan Pabani.
Background music, Mungkin Banget Bahi. Vocal, Lamet Kambayau. Takuyung Isap is famous for Cerathidia obtusa is a species of sea snail, a marine gastropod mollusk in the family Potamididae.
Andangnya alam Takuyung Isap ani pulau tunjang. Sakali ani basia bahunja tuot akan bibi sungai.
Takuyung Isap is usually located in the area of southland of the mangrove swamp forest. When the tide moves, the Isap Takuyung will rise to the tree to ward off predators.
Amun aing Alan, basia Takuyung Isap ani ngisi hipau. Bahunya ajiki tanah tunjang. Jangka aing pasang, bahawo tiang naik ke atas mailat kana makan katam kalung.
As usual, enter the mangrove swamps to seek sustenance, ensure safety, Tartiki Bismillah, and together we maintain the cleanliness of the natural beauty of nature.
Nakan pasan mama, bajiki dalam hati butik Takuyung Isap, yan jalingan. Jangan taulih jua, mangkali ada pangait sasan. Mun luan maamak balampa yan tamaha.
The next step, Takuyung Isap is cleaned with river water, stored in a former plastic bottle of mineral water. The Isap Takuyung is cut at the end to get the convenience of the Isap Takuyung.
Jangka luih sakali masak, Takuyung Isap dibasuh. Papat hujungnya jangka sawangnya ulah gagapas nambusi kalua minta, sadang tiatu. Tutuki sagala bawang ladakan huwa dimasak lai.